ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy because we mentioned we're looking at this. The question was how deep it can go. All right. As we can see, we get the reversal, the price start to reverse, not as a short move, as a corrective, but we didn't get any trade setup. Now that takes us whether this is the start of the up move or still this one can give us one more drop. We can look for this flat for one more drop. Okay. Right now we cannot confirm because we don't have any trade setup to look, mostly for buy. And if in this case we move to daily chart, and as you can see based on daily chart, that I think we can expect for continuation rather than the. I don't think we can get the expect to get a bigger correction. That's why if we get any trade setup, I mean, we should know how to manage it. All right, because if we move to forward chart, we can look for running flat, and even this one can become a bit deeper before we get the next move. Right, that means either we can look for continuation from here or this one become a deep one more, I mean, become deeper, more corrective before we get the next move. But if we get any buy setup from there, we can look because we're looking at this. But right now we don't have it. If we need to see whether we can get any correction here for continuation or not. Okay. And if I move to 1 hour chart, and as I mentioned, the way this move is reverse, it didn't give us any good trade setup. The best what we were looking for this kind of the move, for the sharp move. But what we get here is a reversal. If we want to look for buy, we need to get the correction here, not the flat correction to look for buy, because may this one, as I mentioned, give us one more drop. Okay, that's why we mentioned we are not sure how deep it can be. Either we're looking for buy either from here, or if we get for one more drop, because we're looking for this any buy setup, we will take it, and with the breakout of this top we start to manage. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.